I try to accelerate slowly and steady. Also, we have a button here like EV mode. Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me right here, this is the new Corolla Cross. This is the Comfort, the entry-level version that comes with a 2-liter petrol engine, 4 cylinders inline, and 2 electric motors. 1 electric motors on the rear, 1 in the front. 199 horsepower is the total power of the car. And in this video we will test the consumption. I go inside the car. The engine is already warm because I drive it before. Let me put the seat belt, start the engine, and we will see in this video what will be the end consumption. Like you probably see here, Toyota claimed that you can get around 5.3 liter consumption. In this video I will try my best to drive as economical as possible to get the best consumption out of this Corolla Cross. If you want to find out all the technical data, I will have a separate video on my channel, full review. Check that video out on the channel. If it's not already there, click the subscribe button to see it. Now we will go directly in the eco mode. I have also a test drive video where you can see it in different driving modes, but in this video it's all about economy. It's all about efficiency, and we will reset it right now in this moment. Let me go on the left side. Come on, man. Yes, and then reset it. 0. Okay, you see it there on the left side. We will see in the end what consumption we will have. Let me close the door. Going in drive mode, we will drive only in drive mode, no B mode. B mode it's for downhill and other stuff, it's not like regenerative brake. And let's drive it. It's silent, the climatic system is off. Drive it. It's just let's drive. I drive as economical as possible. I try to make all the condition, to meet all the condition as a normal drive without highway, because we are not able to go on the highway today, but I will do a video also on the highway. So we try all possible outcome that we will have here. The car comes also with a nice graphic that shows you what happened with the energy. This car, as I said, comes with an electric motor on the front, a petrol engine on the front, and an smaller electric motor on the rear. The electric motor on the rear has a power of 41 horsepower. The one in the front, electric one in the front, has 113 horsepower. It has also a lithium battery somewhere in the middle of the car. It's around 2 kilowatt hour that help power those electric motors and regenerate the brake. So now we kind of drive like we are in the city. We try to fake as much as possible the normal driving, normal situations. For example, here you go on the faster road, but I try to accelerate slowly and steady. Also, we have a button here like EV mode. It's unavailable right now. Most of the time it's unavailable, so I'm not going to rely on it, but I will drive on the speed limit. And you can see right there what happened right now with the energy. It's like the petrol engine right now regenerate back, and let it roll a little bit. We have 3.5 liter until now consumption. Petrol engine, it's also on, you can hear it. We stay in traffic. Right now you drive only in electric mode, silent, steady. Roundabout, crosswalks, acceleration up to 60, slowly, gentle. We try to also anticipate the traffic a little bit in order to get the best consumption. The engine, it's on, it's warm right now, and also we have kind of a half battery full, enough battery to drive. So I anticipate a little bit the traffic here, so I see what happened in the front there. consumption. Let's go on the other lane because we have to turn around on the roundabout. This is like a city driving with kind of medium traffic right now. Medium to high traffic. Stop here. It's great, you know, when you have a full hybrid system or a plug-in hybrid or an electric car. It's great when you drive at low speed in the traffic, because you use most of the time the electric motor and the battery, and the consumption it's even lower when you drive at low speed in traffic. And this is the big advantage in comparison with a diesel engine or a pure petrol engine. Like when you're driving on low speed, you kind of win against the diesel and petrol. Slowly, steady. We have 3.8 liter consumption until now. It's not bad at all. Now we will go a little bit faster, 60. Also the car comes with all that safety features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control. We will not use those because they will need even more energy. We will have to use even more energy for those systems, so we will try to keep it as simple as possible. Let's go right here. .8 liter now, not bad at all, but I'm still not sure about the consumption. I still want to drive a little bit more. Let's simulate also. For example, it's summer, you open the windows a little bit. Let's simulate also kind of a normal driving situation. Actually, let's close the other one because it's too much windy. Also, what I noticed, guys, is that the visibility in the mirrors, it's gorgeous on this car. Also, the sound insulation is not bad at all. If you close the windows, you immediately hear like over the bumps, doing fine. Behind me it's another Toyota Corolla Cross. Here it's a stop sign, we anticipate, we press the acceleration and the brake slowly. Maybe we get the green. No, we didn't. Okay, now we have the green. And accelerate slowly, just like that. We go uphill now. It's super light to drive this car. It's crazy light. The steering, it's crazy assisted, and great visibility. We have a roundabout. We go right here. Let's go in the city right now, kind of in the city. We have a lot of crosswalks here. Turn around. this test is kind of more of a city test than on the highway and the national roads, but I will probably do in the future another test when we will go on the highway to see the consumption even more deeper. All right, we are back from where we begin, at home I should say, going reverse, and right now we just park here. It has a nice reverse camera, but no sensors on the rear on this version. Anyway, park. Now the car comes with electronic handbrake. This is the consumption, guys. 4.3 liters. At some point I see 3.8 liters, and the estimated it's 5.3 liter. I'm really beat the consumption here driving on the kind of on the city road. If you stop the car, you can see more information. 72% electric ratio, 4.9 kilometers, 4.3 liters consumption. So yeah, this is like with the engine on, around 10 degrees outside, kind of a spring weather, kind of perfect condition for driving the car, not too hot, not too cold. I think this consumption is really good. I mean, if you're driving only in the city, you can expect without any problem consumption under 5 liters. If you go on the highway, probably the consumption will be higher, and I'm looking forward to make another video on the highway as well. But I hope this video was useful for some of you to get some useful information from it. If you have questions, ask me down below, whatever you want to ask. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of those kind of videos, other cars as well, testing the consumption, the lower consumption, I wait your feedbacks and I wait your ideas, and tell me which car you want to see in the future. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.